Hey, I'm Salma from Kalimna AI, and today I'll show you how you can create mid-call tools on our platform. Kalimna already comes with a few basic mid-call functions. You can see those in the Assistance tab. But to give you more flexibility for what your assistant can do during a conversation, we created mid-call tools. Mid-call tools let you build your own tools that the AI assistant can use right in the middle of a call. The idea is simple. While your agent is talking to the customer, the assistant can connect to external APIs to fetch information or trigger actions. For example, it can talk to your CRM to save a customer's contact details, or connect to your calendar to book an appointment or check availability live during the call. Now let's create our first mid-call tool. On the left side, click the Mid-Call Tools section. Then click the Create button here. This opens the tool creation window. First, you give your tool a name. Make sure the name is in lowercase and uses underscores, like get_weather or create_lead. That's important because your AI assistant recognizes tools by this format inside the prompt. Next, you add a clear description. Here, you explain what the tool does and when the assistant should use it. The more specific you are, the better the assistant understands the right moment to call the tool during a conversation. After that, you enter the endpoint. This is the API address the request will be sent to. For example, your calendar endpoint or your CRM endpoint. Right below, you set the timeout. The timeout controls how long the assistant will wait for a response. If the endpoint doesn't answer in time, the assistant stops waiting and can continue the call instead of getting stuck. Now you choose the method. The method tells the assistant what kind of action it should perform at the endpoint. If you want to receive data, like checking available time slots, you use get. If you want to create something, like booking an appointment or adding a new lead, you use post. Put is used to replace existing data completely. Patch is used to update only parts of existing data, like changing a customer's email address in your CRM. Delete removes data from the endpoint. Next, we have the headers section. Headers are small extra pieces of information that get sent with every request. Think of them like notes on the envelope of a letter. They tell the API what format to expect or provide access details. In this example, you see content type set to application/JSON. That means the data is sent and received in JSON format. If your API requires authentication, you add another header here. For example, an authorization header with your bearer token. You can add new headers with the Add Header button and remove them with the trash icon. After that, you set up the tool parameters. Parameters are the inputs your assistant needs to collect before calling the tool. These are the values that will be sent to your API, like a city name for a weather tool or a customer ID for a CRM lookup. If a required parameter is missing, the assistant can automatically ask the user for it. You add parameters using the Add Parameter button and define what each input is and whether it's required. Finally, at the bottom, you have your action buttons. Create saves the tool and makes it available for your assistant. Create and create another saves this tool and immediately opens a new one so you can keep going. Cancel exits without saving anything.
So this is it. Thank you for using Kalimna, and I wish you a great day.